My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-ups by the site dontheater.com. It's a dangerous site displaying fake human verification alerts. It tries to trick you into clicking on the allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. But the point is that to click on allow is certainly a mistake, which may hijack your browser. If you don't want to see these ads on your screen, you need to deactivate them. Access the menu, go down to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in Permissions, choose Notifications. Research the sites, allow it to send notifications. Get rid of these malicious sites if you find them on the list. Finally, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start carefully examining your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.